In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot in Wix. This can be a game changer for your website, offering immediate assistance to your visitors and enhancing their overall experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to be logged into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to access the Wix App Market. Think of the App Market as your digital toolbox, where you can find a plethora of features and widgets to customize your site. From your Wix dashboard, locate the App Market option in the menu. This is your entry point to adding helpful components like an AI chatbot to your site. Once you're in the App Market, you'll use the search bar to find the specific app you're interested in. In this case, you'll be searching for Wix AI Site Chat. This search will pull up the app we want, which is designed to integrate seamlessly with your Wix site. At this point, it's a good idea to take a moment to read through the description and features of the app. You want to ensure that this app meets your needs and offers the functionality you're looking for. Next, you'll click the button labeled Add to Site. This is your go-ahead to install the app on your website. It's similar to downloading an app on your phone. It requires that you initiate the process with a simple click. The installation of the AI chatbot is streamlined and doesn't require any coding knowledge, making it accessible to everyone, even if you're not a tech wizard. After you click Add to Site and follow the prompts, the app will integrate itself into your Wix website. It's important to remember that an AI chatbot is a fantastic asset. It can help automate customer interactions, answer frequently asked questions, and provide support even when you're not logged in, all of which can improve your site's customer service. Once the chatbot is set up, take some time to configure the bot's settings to align with your brand's voice and your audience's needs. Customization can include setting the bot's greeting, defining its personality or tone, and determining what kind of queries it should be able to handle. Before you finalize everything, I recommend testing the chatbot yourself. Pretend you're a visitor to your site and ask the chatbot a few typical questions. This will help you ensure it's working as intended and give you a chance to see how it interacts with real users. Once everything looks good, you can confidently publish these changes to your live site. You'll be providing your visitors with a consistent, helpful interaction whenever they stop by. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an AI chatbot to your Wix site, enhancing your website's interactivity and service capability. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your website. Until next time, take care.